Imagine waking up each day knowing you have the power to shape your destiny. Today, we look into a world where your words and thoughts create your reality. Speaking to the universe isn't just a mystical theory. It's a transformative practice that has changed lives, including mine. Just a few years ago, I felt stuck, unsure of where life was taking me. That's when I discovered the power of communication with the universe. Simple daily affirmations and clear intentions set me on a path to real, positive change. What if I told you that you, too, could tap into this incredible power? That you could start attracting everything you want, simply by learning how to speak the universe's language? Stick around, because today we're opening up the secrets to manifesting your desires, showing you just how you can align your energy with the universe to create the life you've always dreamed of. Let's start on this journey together and transform our lives, one thought, one word at a time. The universe speaks in a language of frequencies and vibrations, and every thought or emotion you emit is like a conversation with the cosmos. By understanding this, you can begin to control what you attract into your life. Let's start by aligning our thoughts with the universe. Clarify your desires. What do you truly want? Write it down, speak it aloud, and set clear intentions. Remember, a positive mindset acts as a powerful magnet, so keep your thoughts optimistic and focused on your goals. Next, let's harness the power of visualization and affirmations. Picture your life as you wish it to be, using vivid details that stir your emotions. This is how you communicate your desires to the universe. Reinforce this vision with daily affirmations. Speak them in the present tense. Believe in them, and you will start to see the universe responding. Gratitude and mindfulness are your anchors in this process. Each day, take a moment to reflect on what you are thankful for. This practice not only brings you joy, but also keeps you in tune with the abundance of the universe. Mindfulness, on the other hand, helps you maintain a serene state, ensuring that you're always sending out the highest vibrations. But you might face challenges like doubt and impatience. These are common, but they're also surmountable. When doubt creeps in, refocus on your past successes and reaffirm your abilities. If impatience arises, remind yourself that everything worthwhile takes time, and the universe's timing is always perfect. By consistently practicing these steps, you're not just wishing for a better life, you're actively creating it, resonating with the very heartbeat of the universe. To truly deepen your connection with the universe, integrating meditation into your daily routine is essential. This practice isn't just about stillness, it's a profound dialogue with the cosmos, where you tune into the frequency of your deepest desires. The beauty of meditation lies in its consistency. Over time, this consistent practice clears the noise, sharpens your focus, and strengthens your intentions, allowing you to manifest with greater precision and speed. But there's more to enhancing your manifestation capabilities than just mental exercises. Your personal energy plays a critical role in this process. Think of your body as a conduit for the universe's energy. How well are you fueling it? A balanced diet, regular exercise, and adequate sleep are not just good for your health. They optimize your vibrational energy, making you a more powerful magnet for attracting what you desire. As you grow more adept at these practices, keep seeking ways to evolve and refine your techniques. Keeping a journal can be a transformative tool, helping you track your progress, understand your emotional patterns, and clarify your goals. Moreover, consider connecting with like-minded individuals through community groups. These connections can provide you with new insights, inspiration, and the support necessary to thrive on your spiritual journey. As you continue to explore and adjust your practices, you'll find that your ability to communicate with the universe becomes even more fluid and impactful. As we wrap up our journey today, remember that the ability to speak to the universe and manifest your desires isn't reserved for a chosen few. It's a powerful tool that lies within each of us. We've explored how to align your frequencies with the universe through clear intentions, visualization, and affirmations. We've discussed the importance of maintaining a positive mindset, practicing gratitude and mindfulness, and we've looked into advanced techniques like meditation, managing your personal energy, and continuously evolving your practices. Now, I encourage you to take these steps and begin applying them in your own life. Start small, be consistent, and watch as the universe begins to respond to your calls. And as you start on this changing journey, I'd love to hear about your experiences and the wonders you begin to manifest. Share your stories and progress in the comments below. Let's inspire and support each other in this beautiful journey of growth and manifestation. If you found value in this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more insights on how to live a more fulfilled and intentional life. Your support means the world, and it helps us bring more content like this to you. Thank you for watching, and remember, the universe is always listening, ready to co-create your most beautiful dreams.